Okay, dolls, so now let's get into this box hop because I am so excited. I am so excited. Why? Because my luxury scent box order just arrived. I'm so cool. Hey, glam dolls, I'm here today to share with you all my luxury scent box order that just arrived, and I am over the top excited. Simply because Luxury Scent Box curated the fragrance picks for me. Well, it was based upon a short questionnaire that I filled out, but according to the answers in which I gave, Luxury Scent Box curated some fragrances and they sent them to me in this little black box, which I'm about to open. But before I even open the box and get into it, hey, if you're a newbie passing through and you're seeing me for the very first time and you have no idea what Luxury Scent Box is or what the heck I'm so excited for, first I want you to take a quick look at this. So when you visit the luxuryscentbox.com website, you can choose which plan you would like. They have your standard membership for only $15 a month, or you can do a premium membership for $18 a month. They even give you the option of annual memberships. Either way, you can cancel the service at any given time. There's no contract with this. There's no funny business or anything like that. And once you choose your membership, you then have a plethora of different fragrances for you to choose from. You can choose by scrolling, browsing the entire selections they have available, or you can enter a name of your choice. They even have fragrances for men too. So there's something for everyone on this website. And what I love best about this is your very first month is $9.75. Yes, if you're interested, you will click on the Get Started tab, create your username and profile, select your fragrances, and then voila, you are officially a new member and you'll receive your first fragrance. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, you're gonna open the box, whatever. I have some little information right here, information cards about selected fragrances. It might be the fragrances that are in this box, or it just might be information about new fragrances that's added into their collection online. So we're gonna see. It has a handwritten note. Look at that. It says, during this time, we wanted to give back to our community, family, and friends. This is not for sale. Hoping this will have a useful purpose. Please share with your family and friends. Included is some hand sanitizer. With love, Deluxe SB Team. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that. And it's handwritten. Where they do that at? Come on now. Look at that. And this is the hand sanitizer. Oh, this is super cute. Let me open it. Oh, look at this. It has a logo on it, and they said this isn't for sale. So I guess when you order your fragrance off their website, you're going to get a hand sanitizer. I'm not exactly sure how that goes. Don't quite quote me on that. But I received one with this handwritten note, and this is so cute. Let's see if it has a scent. Nope, just smells like alcohol. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Let me sanitize my hands while I'm at it. Yes, put that down. Oh, nothing like the smell of fresh alcohol. You know what I'm saying? My hands are clean. So back to the box. So I have 3 selected fragrances. All right, 1, 2, and 3. So they sent me 3 fragrances. We're gonna get into it. First fragrance coming up out the box. Like I said, I have no idea what the picks are. I know they just sent it to me, and I'm looking to see what they sent in. I'm doing too much. Let me open it. Ooh, do this not match my hair? Oh my gosh, they must have knew what I was going to be wearing. So anyhow, this is the case that the fragrance comes in, and what you do to get the fragrance open or out the case is you're going to twist it one time and it raises, and this is, you know, the fragrance that is inside. This is what the fragrance look like that's actually inside of its packaging. And this one is Juliette Has a Gun, a lipstick fever. Never heard of this one, but ooh, 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 Oh, this smells good. Juliette Has a gun. Oh, yes. You wear this, you're going to need a gun. You have to shoot people off of you, honey. This smells good. This smells extremely, extremely... Oh, yes. Juliette Has a gun. Lipstick Fever. Okay, we serving that one. Let's get into the next one. Let's get into this next one. Okay, the same color case as the first one. Let me go back to it. Yep, the same color case as the first one. Twist to get it open. And this one is... I shouldn't even read this to you. It says, I am trash. It literally says, I am trash. This is the name of the designer coming up right here. And it says, I am trash. And you know what? It certainly don't smell like trash. Because if this is what trash smells like, well then hell, I need to indulge in some more trash then. But let's spray this in here. Oh my God. Oh, this smells incredible. I don't know why they call this I am trash. Because nothing about this fragrance smells like trash. No, this actually... Oh my God, this smells divine. This don't smell like trash. I don't know what they were thinking when they named that one. The last one. Okay, a different color case. Got a different color case. A gorgeous gold case. Raise to open it. And this one is... Okay, I had something by Macerera before, but this is the name of it coming up right here. That is the name of the fragrance. And when it comes, when it comes to this Macerera, they never cease to fail me. Never cease to fail me. Oh, this smells incredible. Oh, I mean, I know I just said each and every one of them smell good, but let me tell you, they hit it spot on based upon the answers that I gave them on the questionnaire that they sent to send me these curated fragrance picks. They did not go wrong. Luxury Scent Box really came all the way through for your girl. Yes, I'm thoroughly impressed. I'm thoroughly happy. When it comes to Luxury Scent Box, it is travel friendly. Okay, you can throw this in your purse. TSA is not going to harass you. Okay, you can travel with this. Another thing I love about Luxury Scent Box is there's no commitment. All right, you can cancel at any given time. But why bother? Because the money you spend on a full-size bottle of this exact fragrance compared to the little monthly expense that you'll pay, and you get other authentic fragrances every month, you already in the winning category. Now, typically with Luxury Scent Box, you get one every month. You only get one fragrance every month. For you to get more than one, of course, there is an additional fee. So that's what I opt into, because one of these can last you for 1 month. If you do 4 sprays a day, one vial of this can last you honestly for a month. But I'm such a fragrance addict that no, this will probably last me 2 if 3 weeks. So I always run out. Hence why I opt to get more than one specific fragrance at a month. And another thing I also love about Luxury Scent Box is I get to try out the fragrances. So if I want to commit to a full-size bottle, I already sampled it long enough to know if I really want to commit to it or not. So that's another added benefit into having Luxury Scent Box. So enough of me talking about Luxury Scent Box, because now I'm gonna go and add these into my collection. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. So I'm gonna go and put these away, but I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.